drives us forward. Our passion to realize our dreams. Striving to be more than we are. The promise of success. The pursuit of excellence. Let's reach for new heights together. Reach was founded in 1999 in Miami, Florida, USA. From day one, we have focused on the research, design, and development of world-class automotive thermal management systems and products. We established our original R&D and manufacturing operations in Shanghai and Jiangsu Province, China. We have since expanded by developing additional production facilities in Mexico and Brazil to continue advancing our efforts towards sustainable manufacturing practices, continuous improvement, and incremental growth. We have strategically positioned more than 10 distribution centers across the United States, Canada, Mexico, Brazil, Europe, and Asia. With more than 200,000 square meters of warehousing and distribution space worldwide, and nearly 1 million products available in stock, we can efficiently and effectively meet the needs of our global customers. Every year, Reach produces millions of products and distributes them all over the world. We are engineers, designers, quality control, and logistics experts. We are committed to being the complete and ultimate solution provider for our customers, helping them overcome the challenges they encounter every day. We have implemented a highly advanced quality management information system. This enables us to select the best raw materials and suppliers from every region of the globe in order to enhance the quality control of our products. All Reach products are manufactured in compliance with international quality standards, including ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 certifications. Our unparalleled product development capabilities empower us to introduce tens of thousands of products across our diverse range of product lines. Superior manufacturing processes enable us to deliver more than 30,000 unique orders per day. Our worldwide distribution provides a one-stop solution for global parts demand. We can reach every corner of every market within 48 hours. We gather specialized product management and cataloging teams for each major global market, providing highly optimized solutions to our supply chain partners and customers. Moving forward, we will continue to capitalize on our unique strengths in high-tech automated manufacturing. We are moving towards a low-carbon future. The automotive industry is dedicated to achieving environmentally sustainable development and production of low-emission vehicles, powered by a variety of current and alternative fuel and energy sources. This crucial step is necessary in creating a healthier, safer, and more sustainable world. We have a passionate team. We ensure that every employee's experience and perspective is respected. And we spare no effort in creating a work environment of diversity, equality, freedom, and unlimited creativity. As we advance into the future, Reach's impact will be visible in every sector of technology and industry that relies on thermal management systems. The journey continues. No matter the obstacles you must overcome or the goals that you strive to reach, we will always be by your side, supporting you every step of the way.
我们来自 Reach， 我们来自 Reach，We are Reach， somos Reach， We are Reach， We are Reach， somos Reach México。
Nosotras somos Reach América Latina.
Reach everywhere.